In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the QuillBot extension from the Chrome Web Store. We'll keep this simple and clear. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. It helps to be signed into your Google account if you want the extension to sync across your devices and make sure your connection is stable. Head to the Chrome Web Store. You can type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and open the official store. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the extensions library and a search bar on the page. If you like to double-check, the store's address should come from Google's official domain. Next, use the search bar to look for QuillBot. Type QuillBot and press Enter, then locate the QuillBot extension in the results. Take a moment to verify you have the correct listing by checking the name, icon, number of users, and reviews. This quick check helps you avoid misleading lookalikes. Click the QuillBot result to open its details page. Here you can review the description, screenshots, and recent updates to confirm it matches what you need. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small Chrome prompt will appear describing the permissions the extension requests. Read through that and then confirm to proceed. The download is quick, and Chrome will take care of the installation for you. And that's it. Done. You should see a brief message saying the extension has been added to Chrome, and the QuillBot icon will appear near the top right of your browser. If the icon isn't immediately visible, it may be in the extensions area, but the extension is still installed and ready. From here, QuillBot will be available on supported sites to help with paraphrasing and writing assistance whenever you need it. If the Add to Chrome button is unavailable, make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome and that no policy restrictions are in place on your device. If your browser is managed by a school or workplace, you might need administrator approval before installing. If you confirm the install and nothing happened, try refreshing the page and clicking Add to Chrome again. To recap, you open the Chrome Web Store, search for QuillBot, click the official listing, and selected Add to Chrome. With that, you're all set. Enjoy faster, clearer writing with QuillBot right inside your browser. Thanks for watching, and great job getting everything installed.